Summary. The article "The 6 Things That Make Stories Go Viral" will amaze and maybe infuriate you, by journalist Maria Konnikova from 2014, describes an empirical study about clickbait by professors Jonna Berger and Kathleen Milkman. They have found out that headlines that evoke some feelings are better at catching the receiver than those that evoke none. The emotion could be both anger, anxiety, and amusement. In fact, the headlines which make the readers extremely angry or highly anxious are shared as likely as a cuddly panda. According to them, websites such as Upworthy are so popular because they create social currency, which make people feel they are in the know and therefore are more likely to comment on it. For example, lol kids. The quality of the story is also an important part, regardless of its trapping. Essay. Well, they say that curiosity killed the cat, and sometimes clickbait can have the same effect, leading to transgressive actions. This is also observed in the article by Maria Konnikova and the TED Talk by Sally Kohn. These can both be categorized as human interest stories, and therefore they both use catchy headlines and anecdotal introductions. In fact, Maria Konnikova uses wit humor because she uses clickbait in her own headline, which she is supposed to inform about. The receiver to Sally Kohn's TED Talk already sees her as a credible person, which gives her extrinsic ethos from the beginning. This observation is also seen in Konnikova's article because she interviews 2 professors. In the lines, anger-inducing stories were shared more than moderate takes on the same events. Then we see the professors as intrinsic ethos because they use high-register words as anger-inducing, which create credibility. Sally Kohn's main claim is that America has an incivility problem, which is her intention to persuade about. This is a contrast to Maria Konnikova, whose article is to inform people about the effect of clickbait. We can see that Sally Kohn is going to persuade in the quote, but I'm going to guess that at least 3 out of 5 Americans are clicking on the same insult-oriented rumor-mongering trash that feeds the narcissistic impulses in our society. She uses the noun rumor-mongering, which have negative connotations and gives a negative effect of clickbait. So she tries to argue with negative words about clickbait to convince her audience. She also uses sarcasm to argue, which we can see in line, which incidentally is only a third correct. Lies. It's sarcastic when she says that some of the written words are correct, because she tries to tell you that you can't trust the internet and you must be careful about what you believe in. Discussion. To sum up, we were told which effect clickbait has, and it is terrible that people can die and get so much money because they use clickbait to get people in their trap. It's terrifically how fast a rumor can go. As a result of this clickbait, parents should look at what their children see on the internet.